In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the batteries in the CyberPower 1350 and 1500 AVR units. Here are a couple examples of what happens when the batteries go bad. Mine either blink repeatedly, or they try to turn on with a beep, and sometimes show the display after several times like it's doing here. The two units on the left are the 1350 model, and this one on the right is the 1500. To take the faceplate off, I'm going to need to unscrew the screw here on the bottom front. There doesn't seem to be much difference between the two models, so changing the batteries is the exact same process. After I get the screw on the bottom out, I'll just slide the panel down so it will come off. Then I need to disconnect the red and black wires sticking out of the front. And now I can pull the old batteries out. Next, I need to disconnect the old batteries from each other and replace them with the new ones, so I start by taking one old battery off. I just disconnect the wires and then set it to the side. Then I disconnect the last old battery and set that to the side as well. Now I unpackage the new batteries so I can connect them together. These are 12-volt 9-amp-hour batteries, but I think they might be too much amperage for the 1350 units because I started having problems with them about a year after I went from 7 amp hours to 9. The units could just be wearing out though. So I'll start by connecting the top battery. I'll pull the red wire out and connect it to the red terminal on the new battery. Then connect the black wire to the black terminal, and arrange the wires so I can get the plate back on. Now before I connect to this red terminal, I'll connect this wire that isn't connected to anything yet to the black terminal. Then I flip it over and connect the other wire to this red terminal, which is connected to the other battery. I do my best to line everything up so I can connect the batteries to the unit. But before I can do that, I need to slide both the new batteries in. And once that is done, I just connect the black wires, and then the red wires. Then I'm ready to put the faceplate back on. So I just insert the tabs into the unit and push it up all the way to get the bottom screw in. Then use my Phillips head screwdriver to screw the faceplate back on, and now this unit has fresh batteries. But it looks like I need to let these charge up before I can put it into production. And on to the next one. So this next 1350 unit had a pretty big issue with the old batteries. You can see here that they started to melt. So I'm hoping that didn't damage the unit, but I won't know for sure until I get these new batteries in. And once I have them all connected, I can see that the unit still appears to be fine. So I'll just turn them both on and let them sit until they're fully charged. I have several of these units, so I like to put the date I changed the batteries on the back of them. Okay, now for the 1500 unit, we'll take a closer look at the replacement process so that you can see it's pretty much the exact same as the 1350 units. So I'm going to pull the old batteries out and replace them one by one this time so you can see how much easier it is to do it this way. So I lay the batteries on their side, then pull the right battery out just enough to disconnect it, and then I reconnect the new battery. Doing it this way makes it less likely to mix up the wires. Now these wires and this plastic piece came out of a 1500 unit, but I'm putting them back into a 1350 unit so you can see it uses the same parts.
Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.